Hello friends, so we have another use of the past perfect tense, wish fulfillments. There are many wishes. We are all having many wishes. Only very few can be fulfilled. Therefore, how will we fulfill it? By our imagination. So this, or our wish. As in the case, for example, we say like this, I wished I had told the truth. Sometimes you think, certain occasions, you have to tell a lie. Later on you will think, oh, it was a very bad thing. I wished I had told the truth. So like this, the past perfect tense can be used for that. For fulfilling your wishes or your lacks, L-A-C-K-S, or what is missing in life. Understand? That is a third way of using the past perfect tense. Remember the first one, we have got sequence. When I reached the station, the train had left. Second is, something happened before a specific time in the past. He started his business before 2017. We had that yesterday. He launched his business, yes. Or you can see, she had started her business, his business. She had started singing before 2019. So today is 2020. So we can say 2019. Understand? Like this. And now the third one is this. Third use is you have fulfilled all your wishes. Today this New Year day, so you have got plenty of wishes. You can fulfill it by using the past perfect tense. Oh, that's a great thing. Okay, so let's say like this. First one is, I wished I had told the truth. Remember, it's not I wish, but I wished. The past tense of wish. And then that is followed by past perfect tense. It means you can't, it won't materialize, but we somehow manage to satisfy ourselves. Understand? Yes. So let's see, the boy wished. What the boy might have wished? The boy wished he had passed the exam with flying colors. The boy wished he had passed the exam with flying colors. So this, any boy would wish like that. The girl wished, what would the girl wish? That she had won the match. The girl wished she had won the lottery. Isn't it? The lottery. Say 6 crores, 7 crores. Then the next one is, the man wished, what would the man wish? He had climbed Everest. Because men, they are adventurous. He had climbed Everest. You wished, what would you wish? You wished you had lived long. You had lived long. And we wished, what would we wish? We wished we had taken the treasure, isn't it? El Dorado. Treasure. We had taken this. The cat wished it had got good food. That is the wish of the cat, isn't it? My mother wished. What would my mother wish? My mother wished she had a good garden, right? So that she can remain occupied. My father wished he had bought a bungalow, isn't it? My father wished he had bought a bungalow or a palace. So this, I wished. What would I wish? I had been a good Samaritan. I wished I had been a good Samaritan. To help some people, no? Yes. The shopkeeper wished. What would the shopkeeper wish? He had built a business empire. He had built a business empire. So that's the wish of the, or the shopkeeper wished he had built a business empire, right? And the boys wished they had become cricket champions. Isn't it? That's the wish of the boys. The teacher wished she had completed her PhD. Isn't it? The teacher wished she had completed her PhD. Research, yes. And the swimmer wished he had crossed the English Channel. Isn't it? So that is the wish of the actor wished he had busy time acting. He had past participle. He had a busy time answering call sheets. So the busy time, that is, or shooting. He had a busy time shooting or answering call sheets. All right. So what you have to do, have you noticed only? You repeat the subject. If it is a person or a, say, like boy, girl, etc., you will say the pronoun she, he, it, they. For we, of course, we wished. So look at this. So this is a very beautiful use of the past perfect tense. Whatever we want, we can wish. Before going to bed, you can wish like this. I wished I had become a king. Or you can say, I wish I had a huge bungalow, a luxurious bungalow. Or I wish I had become a Mother Teresa. That's also a great wish. Not always thinking about the riches, isn't it? Like that. So, anything you can wish, provided you have got a mastery over the past perfect tense. Okay, fine. So this is New Year Day and you can wish. Let your wishes. There's no limit for your sky is the limit. So you wish using, so I think the most appropriate time for teaching, most suitable time today for teaching this aspect of the past perfect tense, where you can wish. Okay? Hope that you will have thousands and thousands of wishes. You try to generate sentences like this. I wished, they wished, he wished, you wished, we wished, they wished, he wished, she wished, we wished, boys wished, girls wished, the teacher wished, the Prime Minister wished, the President wished, and so on. You can go on making such sentences. Understand? My father wished, my mother wished, my uncle wished, my sister wished, my brother wished, my brother-in-law wished, my father-in-law wished, my son wished. Yes. The minister wished, the artist wished, the seer wished, the Mahatma wished. So you can go on. So say, make 100 sentences and read it aloud. Reading aloud sentences is the first step to fluency. I have already told you this many times. So, you generate your own sentences, then read them aloud, then the third step will be automatic fluency. Bye. Have a nice day.